Boom! Look at this. Does everybody recognize what this is? This is the bronze, the elusive bronze play button that I just got for going over 10,000 subs. 10,000 subs. And that's because of all of you who have subscribed, or those of you who land here on the page and the channel, and you guys are like, this is great content, the math songs, the science songs, all the cool stuff that Mr. C does. Thank you. And this here is dedicated to all of you. Thank you so much. And you're like, I haven't even seen one of these before. I haven't either. I've seen them online. A lot of people say they're elusive, they're hard to find, they're not real, but let me tell you, this is 100%, look at this, presented to Learning Science is Fun for passing 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subs. 10,000. What if I spin around 10,000 times on this stool right here in honor of all of those subs that I have? Let's do it. Wah, one. We'll just leave it at one. 9,999 to go. Here's what I love about this thing so much. It's brushed bronze right here in the center. It's got this dark, like oil painted bronze color on the sides. And the button itself right here is the dark also. It looks great, doesn't it? It's just crisp. And you're probably saying, that's not real. Let me tell you something. It is 100% fake. That's right, it's fake. I thought for my 10,000 subs, I would make my own bronze play button. And you're probably wondering, how did he do it? And I'm gonna actually show you right now.
And then this, you're gonna close the circuit basically. That's your ground wire. And then we're gonna home. Move that up.
Slide it off though. You just pull it out. Ooh, that's sharp.
Yep.
So now that we have this, what we need to do is actually grind down these edges because they're really sharp, and we want it to be nice and smooth so that we don't hurt ourselves when we're actually putting this thing together. So we're gonna use an angle grinder just to take off the burr and clean it up so that we can get some paint on it, and it'll take really well. Obviously, every time you're doing something like this, protect the ears. Oh yeah, I can't hear anything now. Dope. And protect the face. All right, so I just got back from Lowe's and I grabbed 3 different paints that we're gonna use. I got some primer to lay a first coat on everything. And then I got this metallic oil rubbed bronze and then satin bronze. And we're gonna do this in 2 tones. We'll see what it looks like. I couldn't find high gloss bronze at the store, so I went with this. And I didn't want gold because you could see the distinction. So I think this will look cool. It's gonna have a 2-tone, and it's going to really make that, literally the centerpiece of the play button, pop out. Isn't this awesome? So awesome. And it's really, this is in honor of all of you. All right, so there you have it. That's how we actually made our bronze play button with a couple pieces of metal, scrap metal, that were gonna get recycled, but we ended up making this. And yeah, it's pretty simple. You can see here on the back, nothing pretty going on here. I've got the smaller piece of metal here that fills it in right here, and I have it like connected with these little double-sided pieces of like sticky tape. And right now, believe it or not, this play button is, this little play symbol is just stuck here because the paint was still tacky. So I really don't have any adhesive or anything stuck behind it. I had it raised before, I just didn't like it. It looked like it was disconnected. But yeah, I think YouTube should honor folks who have 10,000 subs with something. It's a big to-do, right? I mean, I remember when I got my first 10 subs, my first 100 subs. I remember getting my first 1,000 subs. It took forever. And then slowly but surely I started picking up subs, and right now we're getting between 200 and 300 subs a month. So it's really exciting. And so we'll cross that 20,000 barrier hopefully in 2 years or so. Maybe 3, if I do the math right. Yeah, probably 3-ish, unless we can get some picked up from this video. So yeah, so like, subscribe, follow us, join us on our adventures for learning. But most importantly, learning science is fun, and I am Mr. C. Until the next video, keep learning, keep having fun, and let's get that silver play button ASAP. Boom!